Welcome to this 12-minute backbend yoga session. We will start with a warm-up to prepare the spine and open up the back, followed by a series of backbend poses that will help release tension and improve flexibility. Let's begin. Let's warm up the spine with cat-cow. Come on your hands and knees. As you inhale, arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone for cow pose. Exhale, rounding your spine and tucking into your chin for the cat pose. Repeat this flow for a few breaths, letting your spine loosen up and get ready for the deeper back bends. Sit back on your heels in baby pose. Extend your arms forward, rest your forehead on the mat and take a few breaths here to center yourself. Now move forward on your stomach or hip flexors for Bhujangasana or upward stretch by lifting your knees, or you can do the easy way, the Bhujangasana, and stretch your left and right side of the spine and do the baby pose again. Place your hands under the shoulders and as you inhale, lift your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Let's move between the baby pose and Bhujangasana to deepen the stretch and gently warm up the spine. After holding Bhujangasana for a breath, sit back into the baby pose, then return to Bhujangasana. Repeat this flow 5 to 10 times, focusing on the stretch and relaxation with each movement. Now that we are warmed up, let's start with bridge pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, grab your ankles if possible, and place your feet hip width apart. Lift your hips up toward the ceiling while keeping your shoulders grounded. Hold this position for a few breaths, feeling the opening in your chest and stretch along the spine. Pause for 3 to 4 breaths. And lower your hips back down gently. Repeat this pose to build flexibility and ease into the back bend. Repeat this pose 3 to 5 times to improve flexibility in your spine. Now, before moving into the next backbend pose, just relax your spine doing this left and right stretch of the both sides by grabbing your both legs towards the chest. Then just gently rotate your legs, both legs simultaneously, left and right, and feel the stretch and relax a bit. Now we will move to Locust Pose, that is also known as Salabhasan. Lie face down with your arms alongside with your body. After lying down, just relax your legs and hamstring a little bit, so that will create easiness while doing this pose. As you inhale, lift your head, chest and legs off the mat, reaching your arms back. Hold there for a few breaths, feeling the strength in your back. Pause for 3 to 4 breaths and lower back down gently. Repeat the locust pose once more or 3 to 5 times, focusing on lifting from your upper back and keeping your neck relaxed. Now we will go into bow pose. Lie on your stomach, bend your knees and hold your ankles with your hands. Inhale, lifting your chest and thighs off the mat, forming a bow shape. Hold there, breathing deeply, feeling the stretch across your chest, shoulders and back. Pause for 3 to 4 breaths, releasing by lowering your body back down. Repeat bow pose 3 to 5 times, lifting a bit higher if you are comfortable. Now we will start our fourth pose of backbend, camel pose, or you can say Ustrasana. Kneel with your knees hip width apart, placing your hands on your lower back or reaching for your heels. As you inhale, arch your back, gently dropping your head back. Hold here, breathing deeply and feel the stretch through your chest and spine. Pause for 3 to 4 breaths and slowly come back up to a neutral position on Vajrasana, or you can sit normally. You can repeat camel pose 3 to 5 times, keeping your lower back supported. Our final backbend today is Urdhva Dhanurasana or wheel pose, a powerful pose that opens up the entire body. Lie down on your back, bend your knees and place your feet hip width apart, close to your hips. Bend your elbows and place your hands next to your ears with fingers pointing towards your shoulders. Inhale and press into your hands and feet to lift your hips and chest off the mat, arching your back into a full wheel shape. Hold here, breathing deeply, and feel the deep stretch and strength across your back, chest, and arms. Pause here for 3 to 4 breaths and then gently lower down, tucking your chin and rolling your spine back to the mat. If this is challenging, feel free to skip or modify the pose by lifting only your hips into a half bridge pose. Now, let's end our session in Shavasana for a deep relaxation. Lie down flat on your back, extend your legs comfortably apart, and let your arms rest at your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to sink into the mat and release any remaining tension. Focus on relaxing every muscle, letting go of any stress and feeling the calmness spread throughout your body. Stay here for a few moments, enjoying this deep state of relaxation. Pause this video for 1 to 2 minutes and then we'll end the session. Thank you for joining me in this backbend yoga session. A regular practice of these poses can help improve flexibility, relieve stress, and strengthen your spines. Remember to honor your body's limits and move mindfully. I hope you are feeling rejuvenated and centered. See you in the next session. Bye.